Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Mapbox SDK tokens and style loading in apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your application where the Mapbox SDK is integrated. Locate the Mapbox configuration file within your project. This file typically contains your Mapbox access token. Retrieve your new access token from the Mapbox dashboard. Log into your Mapbox account and navigate to the access tokens section. Copy the access token you want to use for your application. Return to your configuration file and replace the existing access token with the new one. Next, check the styles being loaded in your app. Identify the style URL currently implemented in your project. If you need to update the style, go to the Mapbox Studio. In Mapbox Studio, create or select a new map style. Copy the style URL from the style settings. Back in your application, update the current style URL within the configuration file. Make sure to save all your changes. Next, build your application to ensure there are no errors. Once the build is successful, run your application. Observe the maps loading with the new token and updated style. If you encounter any issues, review your access token and style URL for accuracy. Once confirmed, your Mapbox SDK should now be fully updated with the new tokens and styles. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.